Valkyrie is on the move for a weekend away. A beautiful Saturday morning, July 20, 2024. We are leaving West Island Marina for the night. Maybe two. It's weird up here with no side screens and stuff. We took the side curtains and stuff down because we're having the boat compounded and waxed and whatever. So yeah, it feels like so wide open and weird. The weather this weekend is predicted to be absolutely gorgeous. So we decided to give Marion another chance. If you've been following along, you know that over the 4th of July week, we went over to Marion to anchor in hopes to see some fireworks and raft up with some friends, but it was so windy and so roly-poly that we left and ended up over at Mattapoisett. But here we are giving Marion a second chance, and the weather is supposed to be perfect for some fun in the sun. Check out that sky. Isn't that amazing? Can you see the rainbow up there?
Yeah.
We couldn't have asked for a better weekend, rafting with friends, the perfect weather, jumping off the top deck of Valkyrie, playing King of the Raft, and lots of just great music, good food, good drinks, and just full on fun with not a care in the world. It was perfect, just like it should always be. We're leaving Marion this morning, Monday, July 22nd. It is just past 7:30 in the morning. Mark got up, made coffee, tea, and hauled the anchor. Headed back to our marina, and everybody's got to get to work today. But whoa, Buzzards Bay is like glass. So beautiful. Thank you so much for following along on our journey as we live and cruise on board our home, and we really appreciate you. Keep the likes coming. Please subscribe and stay tuned because there's a lot more to come. Thank you.